The puppies are out of the whelping box now, and they're in what we affectionately call the pig pen for reasons that I would rather not explain right now. Anyway, tails up, bellies off the floor. I mean, I hope you have an appreciation for how much development you've seen in these puppies in only a couple of days. They look like little dogs now. I call it Mr. Hand. Hi guys, here's Mr. Hand. Mr. Hand, here he is. Here he is. Say hello. Hi, Mr. Hand. Wagging his tail, wagging her tail. Good girl. Hey, yeah, Mr. Hand is here. Yeah. Smells like dogs. Hi, Dot. Hi, Dot. Say hello to the people. The proud mother. Okay, it's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. She's a little protective. She probably does not understand what it is I'm pushing in her baby's faces. Looks like they're all going back for another round. Blue. Blue is the people dog. See where she is? She wants to see me. Hi, Blue. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yeah, she's kissing my fingers. She's kissing my fingers. Good girl. Oh, I got to go play with this puppy. See ya. I got to go.